Hello guys, this is Brandon, and as you can see, this is the video I'm pretty sure many of you guys have been looking forward to. And this of course is the PlayStation 4 unboxing. I just got back from GameStop about 45 minutes ago. Picked up my system exactly at 12:08 a.m. So basically it's me out of basically almost 100 people at my local GameStop. I was number 42. Picked up the games and accessories I did beforehand and waited in the cold for about 6 hours to get a hand on my PlayStation 4. Now for unboxing, I'm going to basically showcase the box here. As you can see, we had the PlayStation 4 emblem here in all of its glory. 500 gigabytes here on the bottom. On the top, you had a nice convenient carrying band. On the back you have game advertisements here: Knack, Assassin's Creed 4, Killzone Shadowfall, Watch Dogs Infamous Second Son. Advertisements of course for PlayStation Plus and the PlayStation ecosystem, PS3, Vita, and the PlayStation 4. On the bottom, to showcase some of the specifications for this particular system. And as you can see here, I was number 42. I wasn't exactly sure the full total of people there to pick up their systems, but it was, well, it should have been around 100 people, which is very surprising. Not surprising actually, but I was very impressed by the GameStop that I pre-ordered my system from, how well they kept everything organized and everything. So without further ado, let's go and unbox this. I'm out of breath, I'm excited, I'm tired, exhausted, but this is so much worth it. Been looking forward to this system ever since it was announced back in February. This will be my first ever console release for any system. I've always picked up my systems relatively late, but enough of my rambling. Let's see what's inside. Flip it around here. Apologize about the bump. Okay, first things first, let's get the paperwork out of the way. Inside of here you have your special offers for PlayStation gamers. This includes the $10 PlayStation Store credit voucher, 1 month free of PlayStation Plus if anybody hasn't signed up already, and 1 month free trial for Music Unlimited. Okay. Next is the standard quick start guide, which I'll leave in the packaging here. Wasn't going to even attempt to open it. I'll get to the good stuff last but not least. There is our mono earbud headset, a first for PlayStation product. The micro USB sync cable for your PlayStation DualShock 4 controller. Power cord, since this PlayStation has an internal power supply, makes it very convenient. Not have to worry about any cumbersome bricks. And something that I'm glad that they included in this generation, an HDMI cable that is 4K capable. As of right now, the PlayStation 4 does not support 4K. My TV doesn't have it anyway, so no big deal, but it's nice to have some extra HDMI cables. Next is what I've been mostly excited about just as much as the system itself. The DualShock 4. Showcasing here. Very nice feel, comfortable in the hands. The thumbsticks are the biggest thing, as well as the touchpad. Showcasing the back here. Let's see if it gives us any power once I press it. And as you can see, the controller itself is lighting up, so there is some power to it. Very nice. I'll put this to the side. And let's get to the star of the show. Move this box out of the way. Making a noise mess so here. Sorry about that, guys. Now let's get to it. Here it is in all of its glory. Sony PlayStation 4. Showcasing the front here. High gloss finish. It is jet black. This is basically the color that they're saying for this particular system. Okay, we have our power button on the very top here. If you can see that where my finger is pointed. On the bottom is the eject. 2 USB 3.0 ports, as well as the slot loading Blu-ray DVD tray. On the back, we do have the power cord for the internal power supply, the optical out, digital optical out, HDMI out, LAN for anybody that has a stable enough Ethernet, wire Ethernet connection, and the auxiliary port for PlayStation camera, any other accessories. But see, it's very stable once I put it up here. I was looking forward to getting the stand, but they did not have it as of this recording. But anyway, guys, just going to wrap up this particular video. Try to get everything in frame. We do have, of course, the PlayStation 4 system itself. The DualShock 4 controller. HDMI cable. Power cord, USB sync cable, mono headset, owner's manual safety information, and the free product vouchers. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this unboxing of the PlayStation 4. I'm pretty sure it's one of many that's going to be going live tonight or this morning. Stay tuned for unboxings of the PlayStation camera and the three launch titles I picked up for the PlayStation 4. I also will have information for my PlayStation gamer tag, as well as my Twitch broadcast account. So look for that in the info in the description below this video, and stay tuned for the next video for PlayStation 4.